Alright, today we're going to look at the SGILE Pro 9-in-1 Network Toolkit. You see it comes in a traveling case with a zipper and a little hook on the outside so you can attach it to an outside bag, and when you open it up, you see all the components. You have your zip ties here, you have your crimping tool, you have an Ethernet to Ethernet adapter, then you have an Ethernet to dual Ethernet adapter. And then this yellow tool here at the top is a mini wire cutter and stripper. And then the instruction manual. And here's a 314 punch down tool. And two bags here at the bottom will come with crystal connectors and connector covers for your RJ45 cables. And then at the very top, we have the two elements to your network cable tester. You have your master and your remote sections. The master will be plugged into one end and the remote into the other. And this tester has two different adapters on each end.